So if a game object has collided with the zombie, we simply want to check if the game object is a zombie. So to do that test, we'll simply say if game object instance of, and where is the zombie? Let's enter. Okay, instance of zombie. Okay, cool. If game object instance of zombie, then we simply want to set zombie, something like that. Now let's go and play. If for some reason it's not working, I don't know why it's not working. I have no clue why it's not working. Okay, for some reason this onCollision function isn't being called. I have no clue why. Let's enter the projectiles. Implements collision listener, set collider. Get collider, set collider. This set collider equals to new collider. Okay, so I think we're not adding this collider. So we're gonna simply say scene.add collider to collider, and I think this will be great. Okay, it's still not working. Let me check if the zombie has a collider. Okay, zombie does not have a collider. Okay, implements collision listener. And does entity have a collider? It's been a while. It's been a very long while. Why are we implementing it in here anyways? You know what, let me just search it. Okay, so we're simply implementing collision listener, but we're not adding a collider. Why is that? Okay, let me check the player class. Okay, add component collider, new collider. We did not add, okay. Inside the zombie, we also kind of need to add the component. So inside here, I'll simply say add component, new collider. Game object, this. And I think when we run this now, it's still not working. Wow. So I figured out what the problem was. So I managed to figure out what the problem was. Number one, the problem was, first of all, I did not actually add component. I did not add the zombies collider in here. So what I simply said was, I just added it. So add component, new collider, blah, blah, blah. And what else? Inside the projector, instead of using this.scene.add collider, you should use add component. Yeah, so now if we test it, we can see this is happening. Yeah, so also the other thing is I want to be rendering the collider. So since I don't want to be rendering the collider, I'll open up component and I'll just simply add a new boolean, public boolean should render. Render is equal to false. Let me default it to false. And I should also say if not should render. Whoa, hello, what's happening? We should simply just return. And now when I do this, yeah, whoa, hello. It's still rendering. If not should render is equal to false. Why is it still rendering? Okay, I figured out why. It's because we should actually be using render component instead of just having render. Yeah. So yeah, now when we run it, we don't have our colliders showing and it's displaying zombie, right? So yeah, now that we know that we're colliding and everything and all that stuff, what we can do is to simply go into the bullet class, and in fact, let me go to the zombie and let's see, what do we have? We have health. Where is health? Where is it coming from? It's coming from here, from entity. Okay, we need to have health in the max health. Max underscore health. And we just want to set this here, max health is equals to health, which is equal to that. Oh, we have this, and also get max health. Okay, there we go for the entity. And let's go to the player actually and change a few things as well. So where is the player? There we go, player. Health is equals to 1000. Max health is also equals to 1000. F. There we're good. Now all we need to simply do is that when the bullet collides, we want to simply say, instead of actually reducing the zombie, whatever, what we want to do is to simply say, game object is zombie z is equal to, we're going to cast this to a zombie. And we're going to turn the game object into a zombie. Now, you're probably wondering how this works. How can I turn an object? How can I cast an object into another object? That's because when you go to zombie, zombie extends entity, and entity extends game object. So in a way, a zombie is also a game object and blah, blah, blah. So yeah, so we're going to go back to the bullet and see zombie equals to blah, blah, blah. So now what we do is to simply say zombie.hit. Hit float damage. Okay, so we do have the damage variable, and what we need to say is to check if zombie dot health, if zombie, no, not zombie, z actually, z dot health, get health is smaller or equal to 0, then we want to kill this zombie. So we can simply say kill zombie. So how do we kill the zombie? So first thing is we want to remove this object from the scene. So let's go and check this out. What's happening in the scene? We have a list of game objects. So what we want to simply do is to go into the bullets and I want to say scene.gameObjects. Get game objects remove z, and let's go and check this out. So I'm gonna be out here using my shotgun, and yeah, kill the zombie. Finally, we added damaging and killing inside the game. It's been a very long time since we did that, to do that. So yeah. And also one more thing is, when we collide with something, we want to be able to remove the bullet. So on collision, after doing all of this stuff, we simply want to remove this. I have a feeling it will bring an error, but let's just try this. And yeah, so instead of cheating, let's not choose a shotgun. Let me go to the player, and instead of creating a new shotgun, let me just create a regular gun. And what? Let's go to the gun class and change a few things, a few stats of the gun. So where is the gun class actually? Should be in weapons. There we go. Weapons, gun. Let's make this, okay, let's reduce the damage something like, I don't know, 5. Increase the fire rate to something like 8. Make this weapon an automatic weapon and make it a 2-round burst. Whoa, hold up. Why is he dying so quickly? The damage is only like 5. Okay, let me just print the health. Assault Z dot get health. I feel like he died too quickly. And he's dead. Okay, this shouldn't be happening when he's dead. It should happen when he's hit. Okay, so 45. Wait, the zombie has 50 health. That's crazy. Okay, where's the green? Okay, where's the basic zombie? Okay, the basic zombie is just too weak right now. Let's give him 100 health. Yeah, he's too weak. Okay, there we go, he's dead. So that's it for this tutorial. We can kill zombies and we can damage them. So yeah guys, if you like the video, just hit the like and subscribe button. And yeah, the next video is simply going to be doing some damage over time effects. And yeah, so guys, if you enjoy, please like, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, peace.